Hey love bugs, welcome or welcome back. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley Bedeck. Today is August 1st for me in real time, and I'm excited about the coming Leo season. This is my mom's season, may her soul rest in peace. So I will be celebrating her in life and just being happy to be here and, happy to be alive. Today I've teamed up with UNICE and they sent over this gorgeous pre-everything 5x5 closure body wave wig. We'll be doing this flawless, straight out of the box install and adding a little curls and sass. So if you want to see how I got this look, let's get started. Jumping right into it, start off with the nudist wig cap you can find. This one here is a little lighter than my complexion, but probably closer to the complexion of my scalp. As I've mentioned, I've teamed up with UNICE and they sent over my beautiful wig in this beautiful package. I'll share all that's in my package a little bit later, but for now, let's get to the wig. This here, ladies and gentlemen, is the star of the show. As I mentioned, we're going for a beautiful, bouncy, lustrous body wave texture, and the lace is pre-everything lace. So you guys can see they have the wig set as a center part. The lace is pre-cut, the knots are pre-bleached, and the hairline is pre-plucked. Here is also a look at the inside construction of the cap, and I cannot get over how gorgeous and bouncy those curls are. You have a large comb in the nape, and then you have two grooves on either side of the wig, and this is where you can include an adjustable elastic band. Mine is in the box, so if you want, you can take yours out of the box at this step and add it to your wig. Because this one already fits glueless, I am going to opt not to use the elastic band today, but I highly recommend you add yours in for a little extra security. So this is what the wig looks like on, and step one for me is just to add some holding spray. Now this one came with some beautiful curls, as I mentioned, and I want to see how well I can preserve these. Now honestly, I feel like no matter how gorgeous the curls are, through the process of installing your wig and moving things around and shifting things and adjusting things, I feel like the curls typically will lose a lot of the luster and you'll have to touch them up either way. But I wanted to just see if I could create a little hack by adding a little hairspray, if I could preserve the curls. And the answer, I'm telling you in advance, it does work. Although we will be adding more curls because I'm just extra, you'll see that this definitely is a hack that works. So now we'll move on to styling the lace, and look what happened to me. For the first time ever, my electric hot comb and my wand curler are married together. I accidentally had the two too close together and they melted together. No harm was created. There is a little bit of damage on the wand curler, but she's affordable and she can withstand the pain. So now we're doing the dynamic duo. As you guys seen, I laid a nice generous layer of the Care, or no, did I use Care? I believe I used the Edge Booster wax stick along the parting as well as the hairline. And then I went and heat things up with the electric hot comb. Once I got done with that, I did use my large barrel curling iron on the highest heat setting just to really press that down. I want the flattest and most flawless parting and lace as I can get, and this definitely is what works best for me. Now you guys can clearly see that this one lays super flat and she does fit glueless, but I want to melt the lace because sometimes even when a wig does fit glueless, it doesn't melt in the lace, so you can kind of see the line of demarcation, and I want that to become one with my own skin and kind of just get as flat and neat and flush and camouflage as I possibly can get it. So I did do a light layer of hairspray. I believe this is like the Even Sport, which was a travel size that I had bought a few months ago, and I'm just trying to use everything that I have up and just give you guys different options of items. Now this is nice because it's a thin layer, but because it's like a sport, it does help to fight against, like, I guess you can say, the heat and humidity. So if you're going to the gym or it's just really hot outside, it's triple digits, this one is a great option to really like not lift that easily. Before I added the melt belt, I did go in and add some baby hair, and I did use the Edge Booster Edge Control to secure those. Once I got everything how I like it, I put the melt belt on, and then we're going in with the unbrush to brush out those curls. Now Look at the fullness and the density and the body and the bounce. Although we brushed out the curls, you guys can literally see the definition. You literally can add a little bit of serum, like a little bio silk, and be good to go. And I literally love that. But of course, I'm a little bit extra and I really want to give you guys some good content. So I did just go in and go over those curls with the wand curler. I'm going away from my face for a more sexy, like Victoria's Secret big bouncy curls type of look. And I love a wand curler because I feel like even for the most beginner person on the planet, if you wand curl, your curls will still hold. Because I know for me, I came a long way when it comes to curls with like curling irons, but I have had so many times where I've curled an entire wig and I took my time, and when I brush out the curls, it literally falls flat. And so I never had that happen when I use a wand curler. So I highly recommend investing in one or two in two different sizes that speak to you. This here is like a general size right here. I did pick this up from Target. It's super affordable. I want to say like in the $25 price point. So I'll have it linked down below. And this is how the curls came out. They are nice and perfect. Also, I do want to mention that the longer you allow your curls to set and to cool and to dry and just leaving them undisturbed, the longer the curls will last after you brush them out. So I'm going to go ahead and just tint the lace using my Ruby Kisses mineral powder foundation in the shade 15, and I'm going in generously along the hairline to make my hairline as well as the lace marry and become one. I'm using that same exact product along the parting space just to kind of just give a little bit of an airbrush flawless finish, and that's pretty much it. We are done with the look, so let's go ahead and brush out the curls. Now, you guys seen the bounce on the hair straight out of the box, and we did not lose any of that. Look at how bouncy and flawless and lustrous the curls are still. Now let's get into the packaging. So as promised, UNICE did provide us with some free goodies. Inside of my box, I did get the adjustable elastic band, and then inside this cute little mesh bag, we did get a pack of HD wig caps from UNICE, as well as the UNICE hair melt belt, and then we also got these beautiful UNICE press-on nails, and that is pretty much it, love bugs. As promised, this was a super simple, easy, and beginner-friendly install. I'll have all the details as well as a direct link down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.